Do you ever have this problem? You try to run your Word Manager, and when you open your guest machine, you're going to get something like this. See, I'm going to open my guest machine, and I will get this error. It says error start domain request operation is not valid. Network default is not active. You can fix this very easy. Let's close it out first. You click on this. Let me move this to the bigger screen so you guys can see. You click on a NIC, and then we have to remove this. Right click and remove the hardware, and then yes, and you append it again by click on add hardware and looking for the network. Then you click finish. It will say Visual Network is not activated. You just click on yes, and then now it's come back again. But you have to redo this in every single time that you restart your system. By the way, that will be the workaround that I found. Now let's do start the virtual machine, and you will see that it's working. And we now can use our virt-manager again. If the method that I showed you the earlier is very annoying to you because in every single time that you reboot your system, you have to redo that again. So that will be very annoying. I have another method that you may interesting. So first thing first, you open up your terminal and let's do like this. ls/usr/share/libvirt, and you hit enter. Make sure that you have the folder name networks like what I have. If you don't have one, create one now by typing the command sudo mkdir/usr/share/libvirt and then /network. With the S, you create one directory called networks in libvirt. And in networks, by this part, let's do cd to usr share libvirt and networks. You type in this command sudo vim default.xml like this, hit enter, put your password in, and you put all of this content into the file. It will be came from this website that I found. I'm going to put the link at the description down below so you can check it out. This is the whole thing that you have to do. Make sure you do this. You run this command. This is for virt-manager. If you ever have a problem like I showed you the earlier, and then after you do this, you have to restart your machine. Then the next time when you restart and you open up your virt-manager again, you're not going to see that at all. Let's check it out. I'm going to run this. You see now I don't have that problem already. So now is problem completely solved.